If there's one thing you can count on, it's stupidity during political season. And we get a lot of it here in Florida. I'm your Daytona Beach lawyer, Patrick McGeehan. I am your best friend at your worst time. So the other night, a mayor of Edgewater had a little dust up with the other supporters of the other side, or the other opponent. This is Mayor Diezel DePew. He is the mayor of Edgewater, Florida. He's a young guy. He's 22 years old. I don't know him, don't know much about him. I know a couple people that live in Edgewater. A lot of people like him, so he does the good work for the city. That's neither here nor there. So Sunday night, setting up for early voting, 11 o'clock at night, he gets in a dust up at one of the voting places, and there's a body camera video. Something about a sign, moving a sign, he's putting the sign back, and some lady says he bumped into her with the sign. Anyway, let's take a look at the body camera video and then talk about it further.
Okay, it's not okay. It's not illegal to bother people.
Yes.
And
please don't bother me. Okay.
It's not illegal to bother people.
Yes,
Okay.
don't bother me.
It's an election. People want to get other people elected. So, okay. I understand. Stop. Both of you stop. Both. You back up. Back up. Back up. You back up. Both of you stop. Move this for now. I need to talk to both of you. Okay. Hold on. Okay. It's not okay.
I mean, to me, it sounds like a bunch of foolishness, but let's break it down.